Demand-based one online training. What is demand-based one and how does it work? Demand-based one is a comprehensive account-based marketing (ABM) platform designed to help B2B companies streamline their marketing and sales efforts. It combines multiple tools and technologies to provide a unified platform for identifying, targeting, and engaging high-value accounts. Demand-based one aims to improve marketing efficiency, sales alignment, and overall business outcomes. Key features of demand-based one. Account identification. Uses artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, to identify and prioritize accounts that are most likely to engage or convert. Provides data enrichment to build detailed account profiles, including firmographics, technographics, and intent signals. Account-based advertising enables targeted ad campaigns aimed specifically at key accounts. Tracks engagement metrics to understand how target accounts interact with ads. Intent data monitors signals from the web to detect when target accounts are researching relevant topics or solutions. Helps prioritize outreach efforts based on buying intent. Sales intelligence offers insights into account activity, enabling sales teams to personalize outreach and align their strategies with marketing efforts. Analytics and reporting provides detailed dashboards for tracking campaign performance, engagement metrics, and ROI. Enables data-driven decision-making with comprehensive account-level analytics. Integrations works seamlessly with CRM, example Salesforce, and marketing automation tools, example Marketo, HubSpot. Supports custom integrations via APIs. Customer experience personalization tailors web content and messaging for target accounts, ensuring a personalized experience that resonates with their needs. How it works. Target account selection. Users define their ideal customer profiles, ICP, and use demand-based AI to identify and prioritize accounts that match these criteria. Engagement leverages multi-channel strategies, ads, emails, direct mail, etc., to engage key decision-makers within target accounts. Tracks interactions across channels to understand account behavior. Intent monitoring captures real-time signals that indicate when accounts are actively researching products or services in your domain. Coordination between marketing and sales. Shares account insights and engagement data between marketing and sales teams. Helps align efforts to ensure consistent messaging and a seamless customer journey. Why choose demand-based one for account-based marketing, ABM? Demand-based one is a leading platform for account-based marketing, ABM, designed to deliver measurable results for B2B organizations by combining AI, data, and automation into a unified solution. Here's why demand-based one stands out for ABM. 1. Unified account intelligence. Account-level data. Demand-based one provides deep insights into accounts, combining firmographic, technographic, and intent data. 360-degree view. You get a complete picture of target accounts, allowing for precise decision-making. 2. AI-powered personalization. Predictive analytics. AI-driven tools prioritize accounts with the highest likelihood to convert. Dynamic personalization, tailor messaging and campaigns to specific accounts based on real-time data and engagement. 3. Advanced intent data. Demand-based leverages intent signals to detect when target accounts are actively researching solutions. This helps identify and engage accounts earlier in the buyer's journey, giving you a competitive edge. 4. Seamless integrations. Integrates with CRM systems like Salesforce and marketing automation tools like Marketo and HubSpot. These integrations ensure workflows remain efficient and data stays consistent across platforms. 5. Multi-channel orchestration. Demand-based one enables you to run coordinated multi-channel campaigns across ads, website personalization, email campaigns, sales outreach. This ensures a unified experience for target accounts. 6. Clear, actionable insights. Performance tracking. Monitor account engagement and pipeline progression. Attribution and ROI. Gain clarity on how ABM efforts drive revenue growth and business outcomes. 7. Scalability for enterprise needs. Demand-based one supports organizations of all sizes, enabling scalable ABM programs for thousands of target accounts. Customizable strategies ensure flexibility to meet unique marketing goals. How does demand-based one improve B2B sales and marketing alignment? Demand-based one enhances B2B sales and marketing alignment by leveraging advanced account-based marketing (ABM) strategies and a unified platform that integrates sales and marketing tools. Here's how. 1. Unified data and insights. Centralized account data. Demand-based one consolidates data from multiple sources, including CRM, marketing automation platforms, and third-party data providers, creating a single source of truth for target accounts. 360-degree account view. Teams can access real-time insights on account engagement, buying intent, and firmographics, enabling better decision-making. 2. Account-based targeting. Precise audience segmentation enables marketing teams to create highly targeted campaigns by identifying high-value accounts using AI-driven insights. Intent data utilization uses AI to detect buying signals, allowing sales and marketing to focus on accounts with high intent. 3. Enhanced collaboration. Shared KPIs and metrics aligns sales and marketing around shared goals like pipeline contribution, revenue generation, and account engagement. Coordinated campaigns enables seamless orchestration of marketing campaigns and sales outreach, ensuring consistent messaging. 4. Personalized engagement. Custom messaging facilitates personalized marketing and sales communication based on account-specific insights. Multi-channel engagement supports email, ads, web personalization, and direct sales outreach, ensuring accounts receive tailored experiences across channels. 5. Actionable insights for sales. Sales intelligence provides sales teams with actionable insights on which accounts to prioritize and how to approach them. Real-time alerts notifies sales reps when accounts exhibit significant engagement or buying intent. 6. Campaign performance visibility. Integrated analytics combines marketing and sales performance data to measure the effectiveness of ABM campaigns and strategies. Attribution models helps identify the impact of both marketing and sales efforts on revenue. What are the key features of Demandbase One? Demandbase One is a leading account-based marketing, ABM, and sales platform that offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help businesses target, engage, and grow their most important accounts. Here are its key features. 1. Account identification and insights. Account discovery uses AI and machine learning to identify high-value accounts. Firmographic, technographic, and intent data provides a 360-degree view of accounts by combining firmographic details, size, location, technographic data, technology usage, and intent signals indicating buying intent. Predictive analytics helps prioritize accounts likely to convert by scoring based on historical and real-time data. 2. Personalization and engagement. Personalized content and messaging delivers tailored experiences across web, ads, email, and other channels. Dynamic web experiences adapts website content in real time based on the account visiting the site. Engagement tracking tracks interactions to gauge account engagement across multiple channels. 3. Integration capabilities. CRM and marketing automation integration integrates seamlessly with platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Marketo to align sales and marketing efforts. Data enrichment enhances existing CRM records with robust, real-time data. 4. Account-based advertising. Targeted advertising enables precision-targeted ads to specific accounts or personas. Retargeting campaigns re-engages accounts that have previously interacted with your brand. Ad performance analytics measures ad effectiveness and ROI at the account level. 5. Collaboration and alignment. Sales and marketing alignment tools provides shared dashboards, insights, and engagement scores to keep teams aligned. Journey orchestration coordinates multi-channel campaigns with unified account journeys. 6. Measurement and analytics. Account engagement analytics offers in-depth reporting on account activities, engagement levels, and campaign success. ROI reporting demonstrates the impact of ABM efforts on revenue and business growth. Pipeline predictability provides insights into pipeline health and sales forecasting. How does Demandbase One use AI to drive personalization? Demandbase One leverages artificial intelligence, AI, to deliver advanced personalization for account-based marketing, ABM. Here's how it achieves this. 1. Account identification and targeting. AI-powered account selection. Demandbase One uses AI models to analyze historical data, firmographics, technographics, and intent signals to identify high-value accounts that are most likely to convert. Intent data analysis. By monitoring intent signals from web activity, search queries, and third-party data, AI predicts which accounts are actively researching solutions related to your offerings. 2. Personalized content and messaging. Dynamic content recommendations. AI generates personalized content suggestions tailored to specific accounts or buyer personas based on their interests, behavior, and stage in the buying journey. Real-time website personalization. AI adjusts website content dynamically to display relevant information, product recommendations, or case studies that align with the visitor's profile or intent. 3. Enhanced audience segmentation. Advanced segmentation. AI segments audiences not just by traditional attributes like industry or role but also by behavioral and intent data, enabling more precise targeting. Lookalike modeling. AI identifies and targets accounts that resemble your existing high-performing accounts. 4. Optimized campaign execution. Predictive analytics. AI helps marketers predict the performance of campaigns and suggests adjustments to maximize ROI. Engagement scoring. AI evaluates the engagement levels of accounts and ranks them based on readiness for outreach, ensuring that sales and marketing efforts focus on the most promising opportunities. 5. AI-driven insights. 360-degree account insights. AI aggregates data from various sources to provide a holistic view of each account, including past interactions, purchase history, and intent signals. Predictive revenue forecasting. AI forecasts revenue potential and helps allocate resources effectively across accounts. 6. Streamline sales and marketing alignment. Actionable recommendations. AI provides sales teams with personalized talking points and next best action suggestions based on account insights and behavior. Unified data platform. Demandbase One integrates data across marketing and sales platforms, ensuring both teams have access to consistent and actionable insights. What are the benefits of integrating Demandbase One with your CRM? Integrating Demandbase One with your CRM, Customer Relationship Management, system offers numerous benefits that enhance your ability to drive account-based marketing, ABM, and sales initiatives. Here's a breakdown of the key advantages. 1. Enhanced account insights. Provides deep insights into target accounts, including intent data, engagement history, and firmographics. Enriches CRM data with actionable information, improving account prioritization. 2. Improve targeting and personalization. Enables better segmentation of accounts based on behaviors and signals captured by Demandbase One. Helps create personalized outreach strategies, leading to higher engagement rates. 3. Unified view of accounts. Consolidates account-related data from CRM and Demandbase into a single view. Eliminates data silos, ensuring marketing and sales teams are aligned. 4. Real-time intent data. Leverages intent data from Demandbase to identify accounts actively researching relevant topics. Allows sales teams to focus on accounts showing the highest likelihood of conversion. 5. Sales and marketing alignment. Synchronizes account insights and engagement metrics between marketing and sales teams. Improves collaboration by ensuring both teams operate with the same data and objectives. 6. Optimized campaign performance. Refines ABM strategies using precise data from Demandbase, leading to more effective campaigns. Provides insights into which campaigns drive engagement and revenue. 7. Predictive analytics and scoring. Enhances lead and account scoring models with predictive analytics from Demandbase. Prioritize high-value opportunities based on historical trends and intent signals. 8. Automated workflows. Triggers automated workflows in CRM based on demand-based insights. Example, notifying sales reps when an account shows intent. Reduces manual data entry and streamlines processes. How can demand-based one enhance intent data analytics? Demand-based one enhances intent data analytics by leveraging its robust account-based marketing (ABM) platform, which integrates intent data with other marketing and sales intelligence to provide actionable insights. Here's how. 1. Unified data source. Integration of intent signals. Demand-based one aggregates intent signals from multiple sources, including website behavior, content engagement, and third-party intent providers, to create a comprehensive view of account-level interest. Centralized dashboard. It provides a unified platform to analyze intent data alongside other account data, such as firmographics, technographics, and engagement history. 2. Advanced AI and machine learning. Intent scoring uses AI to assign intent scores, prioritizing accounts that show the strongest buying signals. Predictive insights identifies patterns and predicts account behavior, helping teams anticipate needs and proactively engage. 3. Enhanced segmentation. Account segmentation enables granular segmentation based on intent data, ensuring targeted campaigns are tailored to accounts most likely to convert. Dynamic updates automatically updates account segments as new intent data is captured. 4. Personalized engagement. Content recommendations suggests relevant content based on account-level intent signals, enhancing personalization. Journey orchestration aligns marketing and sales efforts by delivering intent insights that guide personalized outreach. 5. Cross-channel activation. Ad targeting uses intent data to optimize advertising campaigns, ensuring ads reach accounts showing active interest. Sales enablement provides sales teams with actionable insights, such as high-intent topics, to tailor pitches and outreach efforts. 6. Measurable ROI. Attribution analysis tracks the impact of intent-driven campaigns on account engagement and revenue. Performance metrics offers insights into how intent data contributes to pipeline growth and deal velocity. Why choose ProExcellency for demand-based one online training? Choosing ProExcellency for demand-based one online training can be advantageous for the following reasons. 1. Comprehensive curriculum. ProExcellency typically offers a well-structured course tailored to cover all aspects of demand-based one, including account-based marketing, ABM, advertising, personalization, sales intelligence, and more. The training often aligns with industry standards, ensuring you gain practical, up-to-date knowledge. 2. Expert trainers. The instructors are experienced professionals with expertise in demand-based one and its applications. They often provide real-world use cases to enhance learning. 3. Hands-on practice. Many ProExcellency courses emphasize hands-on learning, giving you access to practical exercises and demand-based tools. This practical exposure helps in mastering the platform more effectively. 4. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency offers online training that can be accessed from anywhere, allowing learners to study at their own pace. Live interactive sessions and recorded lectures cater to different learning preferences. 5. Customized training. Tailored programs to meet the specific needs of individuals or organizations, focusing on relevant modules that apply directly to your work. 6. Affordable pricing. Competitive pricing with options for installment payments, making high-quality training accessible. 7. Certification support. Guidance to help you earn certifications in demand-based one, enhancing your credentials and career prospects. 8. Post-training support. Access to resources, post-training consultation, and a support network for clarifying doubts or tackling real-world challenges. 9. Positive track record. Proven success stories and positive testimonials from past trainees reflect the quality and impact of ProExcellency's training. 10. Focus on career outcomes. The training is designed to enhance your skills in account-based marketing strategies and customer engagement, ensuring you stand out in the competitive job market. Thank you.